goes outfield. Doncic maneuvers for the lead. Got it!
So they have a vending machine for eggs here, and they have a vending machine for milk here, which is to help out the local farmers. So you would just get a bottle from here, and then you put it inside here for 20 euro cents to 1 euro per liter. So I put the 50 cents here. They give me milk. There you go. Helping the farmers. Fresh milk. Here in Slovenia, farmer's milk. Zdravje. Refreshing. Slovenia. McDonald's. Slovenia. Lake Bled, Slovenia. €30 to run for Lake Bled. €200 fine for swimming. Slovenia, traditional bled cake. Slovenia. This is the bled cake. Okay, I'm here in Slovenia, and this is the bled cake. Not too sweet. Just the right amount of flavor. The only Filipino restaurant in Slovenia. But there's no adobo. Oh, no. It's Philippines. But this is the beef steak. I got these.
Dough is the same as for strudel. Then we fill it with fresh cheese, ricotta cheese. We roll that, we put in a kitchen towel, and we boil that.
Yes, strudel.
course, we have also others like Muslim, Serbian Orthodox, Jewish. We have 2 dragons on this side, 2 on the other side, so all 4 dragons are protecting us. And now the main souvenir from Ljubljana is, of course, these dragons. And all the 100 years ago,
Slovenia.
yes, the same artist, and he's still active. And I'll show you one more installation. Lights, you cross those traffic lights, and then the street brings you slowly to the left. This is forward, you know, something, exactly, and then.
Że tam leci coś jakieś... Tak, ja mam.
Man-made rain.
Może leci z jakiś ten.
Okay, so they have man-made rain in the middle of the square. Frank and Julia. Ljubljana Castle.
Working day, and the 7th column is lower, you see, is the day off. It doesn't matter, is it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, as long as one day is the day off. So that was the idea. We have children, and we create a family. Family as a pillar of every society. Within the family, everything should be nice and cozy, but when we start our own life, well then, because they say that life is a drama, and we need to play a role in this drama. So for your accommodation, of course, it will be okay, don't worry. So all around the city, your accommodations, they have drinking water. Never an industrial city, and that was a blessing because there was no reason to bomb. The second biggest city in Slovenia, Maribor, that was a completely different city.
These are pepper flakes and these are some kind of berries.
Sausage and stew. Slovenia. Slovenia.
joined as one, mostly under the ruling of people. This was a song
Slovenia. Hvala. 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 Zdravo. Na zdravje. brandy. How do you say thank you in Slovenian? Hvala. Slovenia. Slovenia.